This is Packet Tracer 515, and we're going to be configuring default routes. And the objective is to configure default routes and then verify configuration. So the first thing Activity wants us to do is select the border 1 router and view the routing table. So in order to do that, we'll go to the command line and we'll just type in the command show IP route, and I see that the gateway of last resort is not set, and then we want to go to border 2 and do the same thing. Do a show IP route, and we can see that the gateway is set on that one as well. Okay, so step 2 in the activity is select border 1 router, and I'm going to configure the default routes. So we need to enter into the configuration mode, go configure terminal, and we're going to type in IP route 0.0.0.0 0.0.0.172.16.2.1, and then we can exit out of that and do a copy run start. Okay, now we're going to go to the border 2 router and enter into the global configuration mode, and we're going to configure the default route, and that's going to be IP route 0.0.0.0.0.0, and then we're going to go serial 0/1/1 and hit enter, and we'll exit out of there so we can do a copy run start to save our configuration. Okay, now the next thing Activity wants us to do is verify configurations and connectivity. Now we're going to go back to border 1, and we're going to issue the, let me slide this over here, we issue the show IP route command, and we can see that our gateway of last resort is now set to 172.16.2.1, and we're going to go back to border 2 and look at that one, and we can see that our gateway of last resort is set to 0.0.0.0. This is the one we set to the serial interface 011. Alright, next we're going to select PC 0, and we're going to ping the DNS server from the command prompt. So it's 10.10.10.250. Okay, so first one timed out is building the ARP table, and then the other 3 we got replies from. And check our results, and that will complete this activity on configuring default routes. We configured the default routes and then verified connection and connectivity.